morning all. In today's lecture we are going to learn quadratic equation. So to understand the concept of quadratic equation, you have to remember standard form. So what is basically standard form for the quadratic equation? It is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If you observe carefully, on left hand side the terms are what? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. On right hand side it should be equal to 0. So this is called as standard equation related to what? Quadratic form. Am I right? So what you need to remember, in this particular equation, a, b and c are the known terms. Okay, the value of ABC will be given to us. With the help of this we have to calculate unknown value. So in this case we have to calculate the value of x. So in today's lecture I am going to cover type number 1. What is basically type number 1? Under type 1 we are going to learn the first method is the factorization method, and the second method by simply applying formula how to get the unknown values. So let's begin with type number 1. Type number 1. So as I told you, the standard equation, the standard form of the quadratic is what? You need to remember ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If I consider x square plus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0, you have to tell me whether it is quadratic equation or not. How you are going to identify? With the help of the standard equation. If you are going to equate with this particular equation, you will come to know, can you identify, can you tell me the value of a? A is equal to, if you check what is the coefficient of x square over here, the coefficient is 1. So a is equal to 1. Similarly, here the coefficient of x is b. If you are going to equate with the given example, can you tell me the coefficient of b? Yes, it is 4. Similarly, the coefficient for c is what? It is minus 21. I hope you have understood how to equate the given example with the standard formula which is related to the quadratic equation. Okay. Now, as I told you, under type number 1, we have to study two different subtypes. The first one is related to the factor method, or we can say that the factorization method, and the second one is related to the formula. So as I told you, as I said, factorization method. So how you are going to form the factor? Please pay attention over here. So you have to check, this is the coefficient of x square is 1. This method is applicable if the coefficient of x square is 1. So what you need to do, this is your constant term, this is the middle term. You have to split constant term in such a way that the product will be the constant term but addition or subtraction will be your middle term. So let's consider minus 21. You have to find out the factors of minus 21. Will you able to find out the factor? Let's consider minus 3 into 7. Then consider 7 into minus 3. Then is there any other factor? Okay, let's consider minus 21 into 1 or 1 into minus 21. Am I right? Now if I consider minus 3 plus 7, so what would be the answer you will get? We want the middle term should be plus 4x and the product will be minus 21. So if I consider minus 3x plus 7x, the addition will be what? Plus 4x. And if you are going to multiply them, what would be the answer you will get? It will be minus 21. So our factors are which one? Yes, minus 3 and 7. So how you are going to substitute this factor in this particular question? Please pay attention over here. You have to keep first term as it is. You need to keep last term as it is equal to 0. As I told you, you have to split middle term. So how you are going to split that? With the help of the factors. So can I write here minus 3x plus 7x? As I told you, if you are going to club them, so minus 3x plus 7x, you will be getting 4x. Minus 3 into 7, the product will be what? Minus 21. I hope you have understood this factor. Okay. The next will be what? You have to form the group. And then from this, as you can observe, you can take, this is x square, this is x raised to 1. You can take x outside the bracket. If from x square you have taken x outside the bracket, what is there inside? Can you tell me? Inside is x minus, from 3x you have taken x outside the bracket. What is there inside? 3 is inside. Similarly, if you observe over here, from 7x and minus 21, can you tell me which factor you are going to, which term you are going to take outside the bracket? Yes, it would be 7. So what is there inside? It should be x minus 3. If you observe carefully, this is x minus 3, this is x minus 3, common term. We can take one time. What is there in the second bracket? Which is nothing but equal to 0. Now, if I consider x minus 3 is equal to 0, what would be the value of x? It is equal to 3. Similarly, if I consider x plus 7 is equal to 0, now this is on left hand side, we have to consider on right hand side. So can you tell me what is x ka value? X is equal to minus 7. This method is by what? Factorization method. Now same problem we have to solve by using formula. So to get x ka value, you have to apply this formula. What is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is quite easy formula. With the help of this, you can find out the roots of the quadratic equation. These are the roots. Okay. So let's begin with this. As I told you, a is equal to 1. Already we found the value of a, b, c. Now simply you have to substitute in that formula. Can you tell me? X is equal to, what is the value of b? b is what? 4. So can I write minus 4? Then plus or minus under root of b square. So b is 4. 4 square will be 16 minus 4 into a. A is 1. Then c is minus 21. And upon we have to write 2 into 1. I hope you have understood this concept. Okay. Now minus 4 plus or minus under root of, if you perform, this is what? 16. Minus of minus plus 21 into 4, 84. 84 plus 16, you will be getting 100 upon 2. So x is equal to, can I take plus or minus 10 by 2? Am I right? So the first value of x you will get, which is nothing but 6 by 2, which is equal to 3. If you check the first value over here by factorization method is x is equal to 3. Similarly, you need to take the second value is, if you are going to club them, minus 14 by 2, which is nothing but equal to minus 7. I hope you have understood both the methods related to quadratic equation. The first method is what? Factorization method, and the second one is by simply applying formula you will get the final value. I hope you have understood the quadratic equation. So what is basically standard quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The formula is what? To calculate the roots of the quadratic equation. X is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus under root of what? B square minus 4ac upon 2a. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.